Hello you guys, welcome to Journey with Char on this lovely Thursday. Today I come to you with something I've been seeing on YouTube and I said I have got to try it myself. So many videos and also on Facebook. So I said, really, you can get a nice cream just for blending milk, coffee, and water together. So today it is called Dalgona. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But today we're going to try to attempt to do just that. So I have all of my little hand utensils here. I have the milk here, which I'm going to put back in the refrigerator because I don't have ice right now and it needs to be cold. We have the coffee. The coffee that I'm using is this brand and it has to be an instant coffee. So I'm using an Espresso instant coffee. And I have this because I'm doubling the recipe. This is the hot coffee and this is the glass so you can see the effect, and the tablespoon that I'm going to need to use, and this is the blender, okay, which is a Pioneer blender. So let's get started, you guys. I'm so excited. Here we go. Okay, you guys, so this is it done, and it's absolutely beautiful consistency. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. And it sticks to whatever you're stirring it with. So I'm just gonna give this a nice stir. You see how it changes colors? That is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna do the milk right quick. Some people put this in a piping bag, you can, but we're not gonna do all that today. But look how it sticks. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna pour some milk up. All right, you guys. And I want you to just see the sides before we even pour it. Look at that, it's just beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, so we're just gonna put some, let's try it with the spoon first. Okay, you guys, it's absolutely beautiful, and it is just gorgeous. It smells so good. Has that beautiful coffee aroma. You can give it some like swirls. I'm not gonna do too much because I'm gonna save some of that for tomorrow, but look how pretty that is. So that's how it's looking so far. I want you guys to see how beautiful that is. And so now what they usually do, what I was seeing is that they really mix it. You want to mix it with the milk. Oh, wow. That is lovely. So I think the milk turns, you guys, it is just so, the consistency is just so beautiful. I'm gonna try it, but you're not gonna see me because she's looking a hot mess right now. But yes, let's wipe off some of those sides. And let's give it a taste. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Mmm. Mmm. Amazing. 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 Please try this. And it's still thick. This sweetens it enough. If you want to add this to, add a little bit more sugar, that's up to you. I'm fine with where it's at. And those are bubbles. Those are not, it is smooth, you guys. Wow. So, let's try. I tried it. And so this is how much I have left right here. You guys, look at how beautiful and smooth that is. Just look at that. Is this a good container? Mommy wants some in hers. Hold on, you guys. You gotta stir it. Make sure you stir it down in there. Okay, so I'm gonna store the rest of this and call it an evening, you guys. So please try this. It is everywhere. Some of the videos are absolutely beautiful, but simple, easy to make. And I say you do have to blend it for about a good, 6 minutes? And start off with the whisk, how I did the whisk, and because that really breaks it up. And then blend for about a good 6 minutes to get a very good consistency, depending on what your consistency you're looking for. I want mine this kind of thickness. Some people even go longer and it gets even thicker. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys, this would be perfect for tiramisu. If you put this in between like a layer of cake or make a trifle with this, oh my goodness. Tiramisu, I'm telling you, absolutely amazing what you can do with this. You can pipe it in between cakes. It is just absolutely amazing. I love it. All right, you guys, so this is the Dalgona. I believe that that's how you pronounce it. And this will be for coffee in the future. I'm gonna go ahead on the store, y'all. It's even coming out. Coming out the sides, okay? All right, so thank you so much for tuning in with Char as we tried this Dalgona coffee, you guys. Look how it does not come off. Like you literally have to shake it. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in as I taste test the Dalgona coffee. It's absolutely amazing. Go out and get your instant coffee if you want to try it, you coffee lovers. And I hope you enjoy it. You guys be safe out there, and keeping you all in my prayers. And thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, trust God, keep Him first, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. This is absolutely amazing, you guys. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.